So let's talk about the installation of your Onyx system. A tile shower system can take up to a week. You know, you've got to prep, you've got to rip off the old, you have demo, then you've got to put a mastic in, then you got to put your tile on, then you got to grout that, you got to clean that, and let that dry, and clean it again, and so forth and so on. So an Onyx system, 1 to 2 days, we're out of your house. So what we'll do is once we demo your old tub or your old shower system, we'll prep the back walls. This is a waterproofing system here. We use Schluter system, but we use a protective green board or water resistant board behind these, and these things then glue to that board. So we'll also make sure we clean up, of course, before we leave. But once we do the demo, we get everything ready. Make sure your base fits where your drain hole is, because these bases are custom made to fit that exact drain hole. So if your drain hole's over here in the corner, the base is made to fit that. So once we drop the base in, put the walls up, glue those up. Onyx has their own silicone color matched caulk, right? So then what we'll do is we'll seal the corners. You can also get an inside trim piece to hide the caulk, right? So you can get a trim piece that goes here. You can also do things like a crown molding. You can also do, what we call pencil tiles. So you could trim it out this way as well. So there's a variety of ways you can trim these things out. So what happens is once that all dries and we have everything set, we can put the shower door in, assuming you get the shower door instead of a curtain. And the shower door is then built to fit this base and this system as ordered from Onyx. Once that's all complete, we can walk you through it, make sure everything works. So let's talk about your shower fixtures. So we can install your shower fixtures as well. You can select them or we can buy them for you. And you can pick a variety of shower fixtures. So you can have just plain shower head with the valve, or you could have the handheld, you could have multiple heads, so forth and so on. If there's any plumbing that needs to be reconfigured in your house, we may have to engage a plumber or ask you to do so. But if we're just going back with what's already there, we can take care of it. So once that's all done, we'll walk you through it, make sure everything's nice and tight, and then get out of your house. And again, it only takes a day or two in a small, say a 3x3 or 4x4 with 3 walls, nothing fancy. We're out of your house in a day. So if you have questions, give us a call. We're at 251-943-5258. We're on the web at CostalKB.com. And we have a showroom at 12342 Foley Beach Expressway. Come see us, we'll get you through it.